The first question which arises in our mind is that what is parts of speech? So, parts of speech is a category that characterizes a word's function in a phrase is known as a part of speech, or word class. Knowing the various parts of speech will help you better understand how words work in sentences and enhance your writing. There are 8 or 9 parts of speech in English language, because some linguistics considers it 8 and some 9. But we shall cover 9. 1. Noun. The simple and basic definition of noun is any name in the world is called noun. For example, dog, Sam, love, phone, Chicago, courage, and spaceship. Types. The types of noun are proper noun, collective noun, countable noun, abstract noun, plural nouns, concrete noun, compound, noun, feminine noun, possessive nouns, and appositive nouns. Next is pronoun. Words that substitute for nouns are known as pronouns, and they are frequently used to avoid repeating the same noun. Pronouns can be used to refer to persons, things, locations, and concepts, just like nouns can. Pronouns are short words and can do everything that nouns can do, and are one of the building blocks of a sentence. A pronoun can act as a subject, direct object, indirect object, object of the preposition, and more. For example, he, him, his, she, her, hers, it, its, you, your, yours, who, whom, whose, I, me, my, mine, they, their, them, theirs, we, us, our, both, all, what, ours, this, that, these, those, all, any, both, each, some, many, other, others, and both. The types of pronoun are relative pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, reciprocal pronouns, intensive pronouns, subject pronouns, object pronouns, distributive pronouns, dummy pronouns, emphatic pronouns, and first-person pronoun. Third is verb. A verb is a word that describes what the subject of a sentence is doing. The purpose of verb is it indicates physical or mental actions and states of being. For example, seem, smell, sound, grow, look, prove, stay, taste, and turn. If we talk about forms of verb, then the 5 verb forms in English are root verb, third person singular present form of verb, present participle, simple past, and past participle. The types of verb are action verbs, stative verbs, transitive verbs, intransitive verbs, linking verbs, helping verbs, also called auxiliary verbs, modal verbs, regular verbs, irregular verbs, phrasal verbs, and infinitives. Fourth part of speech is adverb. An adverb is a word that can modify or describe a verb, adjective, another adverb, or entire sentence, like quickly, slowly, yesterday, last week, here, there, today, daily, never, rarely, extremely, annually, etc. are some examples of adverbs. The types of adverb are conjunctive adverbs, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of time, adverbs of manner, adverbs of degree, and adverbs of place. Fifth is adjective. In general, adjective describes a noun or pronoun and provide more information about it, like happy, depressed, hardworking, successful, skilled, sloppy, green, tampered, dilapidated, fixed, healthy, etc. are some examples of adjectives. Degrees of adjective are 3: positive, comparative, and superlative. The types of adjective are comparative adjectives, superlative adjectives, predicate adjectives, compound adjectives, possessive adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, proper adjectives, participial adjectives, limiting adjectives, descriptive adjectives, interrogative adjectives, attributive adjectives, and distributive adjectives. Next is conjunction. Conjunctions are words that link other words, phrases, or clauses together. They allow you to form complex, elegant sentences. Examples are and, or so, since, for, because, as, but yet, still, while, as soon as, therefore, moreover, in case though, although, even, and though. The types of conjunction are coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, and subordinating conjunctions. Adpositions, prepositions and postpositions, together called adpositions. A preposition is a word or group of words used before a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase to show direction, time, place, location, spatial relationships, or to introduce an object. A preposition comes before its complement. A postposition comes after its complement. English generally has prepositions rather than postpositions, like beneath, beside, between, from, in front of, inside, near, off, out of, through, toward, under, and within. The types of preposition are simple preposition, double preposition, complex prepositions, interjectional prepositions, detached preposition, phrasal prepositions, preposition of place, and prepositions for agency. Next is interjection, a word or phrase that is grammatically independent from the words around it, and mainly expresses feeling rather than meaning. It is a diverse category, encompassing many different parts of speech, such as exclamations, curses, greetings, response particles, hesitation markers, and other words. Interjections can be either a single word or a phrase, and they can be used on their own or as part of a sentence. For example, ah, alas, alrighty, blah, dang, gee, nah, oops, pew, shucks, whoops, and yikes. The types of interjection are primary interjections, secondary interjections, volitive interjections, emotive interjections, cognitive interjections, greetings and parting words, phrases. Last is article. An article is a word used to define whether a noun, a person, place, object, or idea is specific or unspecific. For example, a, an, and the. The types of article are definite article and indefinite article. That's where all the parts of speech. Thank you so much for watching.